Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a battery replacement for Festina Lady Watch. Let's get started. Insert the watch case opener under the lip and twist the blade so that back unclips from the watch case. Carefully remove the white plastic ring from the watch. You can gently use either a mini flathead screwdriver or tweezers to pull it out. Using the tweezers, gently remove the old battery from the watch. Be sure to handle it with care to avoid damaging the internal mechanism. Insert the replacement battery into the same spot where the old one was located. Use your fingers to firmly press it into place, ensuring it aligns properly on the gasket just like the previous battery. This step ensures the new battery is correctly positioned. Use your fingers to insert the plastic white ring back into the watch. Before closing the case finally, ensure the watch is functioning correctly. This step verifies the success of the battery replacement. Align the back plate in its original position and press it firmly with your fingers. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting content.